Hey everybody, hope you are doing amazing. It's your girl Meg. It's time for a makeup tutorial. It's been a hot minute since we've done one, but we are doing this dewy skin, glossy spring makeup look. We're doing a pink lip, a pink kind of eye, and a glowy skin look. This video and blog post that I'm doing is sponsored by Stage. As you know, I've worked with this brand before. If you have a Stage store near you, like I do, I have a Palais Royal near me. They have an amazing beauty bar filled with lots of incredible products, both at high and low end prices, but are high quality. So stuff like NYX, The Balm, Estee Lauder, Smashbox. I just love the selection at that store. Anyway, so today we're gonna be focusing on how to achieve a long wearing dewy skin look for spring that has a glossy lip. Now, I'm pretty oily and I live in a very humid climate. It is extremely humid in Houston, so doing stuff that's like very creamy and like dewy products tend to slip off my face a little bit. So we're really gonna focus on products that perform really well, but also can give you that really dewy skin look like I have on my face right now. So for me, I like products that perform really well under heat and humidity and sweat and all that stuff. So we're gonna be glowy, but also have staying power. So if you wanna see how I did this makeup look, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also make sure to follow along on social media so we can be friends. I would love to be your friend. So let's go ahead and get this makeup look started. Alright, to start this makeup look off, we're going to use the Estee Lauder Smoothing Primer. It is a smoothing primer, just like it says. It really gets the pores nice and smooth and preps the face for makeup. Lays down such a great base and it'll help your makeup last a whole lot longer. In today's foundation combo, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Light Foundation mixed with the Mary Dumanizer Liquid Highlighter. And the reason being is I like a long wearing foundation, which the Estee Lauder provides, but I'm also wanting it to be a little extra glowy, so I'm using that liquid highlighter to add in a little glow factor. I'm using this Eco Tool sponge to blend everything in for a more airbrushed look. For today's concealer, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. This is very long wearing and full coverage, but it's not heavy at all, which I like, and it provides the face to look a little bit more highlighted with that light color. And again, I'm blending in with that same sponge. I'm using the Smashbox Cali Contour Palette. I'm really liking this one because it's got so many cool options in it, and I'm using this bright yellow powder, almost like a banana powder, to set underneath the eyes and the places that I've highlighted the face with my sponge. And then for the rest of the face, I'm taking the NYX HD finishing powder, the pressed powder, and just lightly dusting that around the skin because I definitely need to set my makeup, but I don't want it to look too powdery. Oh yeah, I gotta sing too. One of my favorite affordable brow pencils is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, so I've used that off camera and brows are done. And then to take the skin up to a next level of glow, I'm going to use a little bit more of that liquid highlighter and pounce it onto the skin with my sponge. I am taking my Estee Lauder setting spray and I'm just going to spray it all over the face to make sure I take that powdery look down and to also sort of set everything into place and meld all my powders together. And now I'm taking that Cali Contour palette one more time, and then I'm going to start bronzing the skin up with an angled brush. This is from Real Techniques. Don't worry, I am going to link all of the brushes below that you can find at stage.com. And then I'm going to take a Sigma brush and throw it into that blush. I love that blush shade. It's very neutral but beautiful. And then I'm going to really create a simple eye look today with the Meet Matchmaker eyeshadow palette from The Balm. I'm using two of the medium brown shades in the crease. And then I'm going to dip in with my finger on this light pink metallic shade onto the lid just to kind of give it that really springy metallic look. I just love the way this turned out. I'm highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner with one of my favorite highlighters of all time. It's such an oldie but a goodie. It's the Balm Mary Luminizer highlighter. Then I'm going to hit the lower lash line with a medium brown eyeshadow just to kind of pull it all together.
I'm gonna do some false lashes off camera because lashes make the look even better. Yes, girl. Today's lip combo is going to be a NYX lip pencil mixed with the butter gloss. I just love the look of using a lip pencil and a gloss on top because you can have that definition with the lip liner, but also the gloss with the butter gloss. And if you haven't tried any of the butter glosses before, you're totally missing out. They're so pretty, and this pink shade is perfect for spring. One of the last things we're doing is taking that Mary Luminizer highlighter one more time and then putting it all over the face and the high points of the cheeks to highlight and give an extra glow to the skin. And our absolute last step is taking that setting spray one more time to melt everything together into the skin and also make sure that our makeup lasts. And here is the final look. It is so perfect for spring. I just absolutely love the pink tones that are in this, the metallic, the shine, the glow. I'm here for it. And don't forget, you can shop all of these products at stage.com. I've linked every single product below, including the brushes, or you can hit up your local Stage store. I know that I can find all of these products at my local Palais Royal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!